So if the large caps aren't performing, is it time to go small? Joining us now is Paul Hickey. He's co-founder of the Bespoke investment group. Paul, it's good to have you, although the small stocks usually underperform in sell-offs. I mean, sometimes you tell me, you've got all the stats. What do you think?
Well, they've been underperforming for quite some time now, Kelly. You look at the open today, the Russell was down about 10% from its high back in the late winter earlier this year. So it's just entering that typical, threshold for a correction territory. But the length of this period, it's been 126 calendar days since the Russell 2000's peak. And if you look historically, that would rank as the 7th longest correction in the Russell's history. So we've been in this consolidation mode in the small caps for quite some time. And I think what you're seeing in the small caps over the last several months is almost a repeat of what we saw in the hyper-growth tech stocks from September to earlier this year. Those stocks had an enormous rally coming out of the COVID lows, and then they traded sideways for several months. And I think what we saw then, small caps came late to the party off the lows last year, but really outperformed late last year as the tech stocks were consolidating. And I think now they're in their own consolidation period. The Russell doubled off the lows, and you can only expect it to trade sideways for a little while. And I think that's what you're seeing in the market overall. Like last Monday at this time, the S&P had 10 record closes in the prior 12 trading days.
Wow.
So the markets are a two-way street, and that's, I think, what we're seeing now. So, I think people can just calm down a little bit here and, take a pause and reassess things.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.